Hello everyone, today I have a review of another Russian knife from NOKS company, but this time it's a Balisong. Total length is 22.6 cm, blade length is 8.9 cm, blade thickness is 4.7 mm, so quite a lot. The steel of the blade is 440. It's a standard stainless steel, tempered between 56 to 58 HOKC. Flat grind, matte finish of the blade. The name is written in Cyrillic on the blade, Balisong. Design A. Birukov. The name and logo of the manufacturer, depicting a pterodactyl. On the other is the name of the steel, 440. Quite thick tank pins. The handle scales are made of a black G10. There's also available version with black colored blade. Loosely moving steel latch. But I noticed that some people convert it to a spring latch. Maybe I'll also do that someday. The pocket clip is on the safe handle. I got used to the fact that the pocket clip and latch are on the bike handle, but it doesn't disturb with flipping. Yes, you can flip with this Balisong, it's quite pleasant. In summary, a really solid butterfly knife for a normal price. Is it good a choice as a Balisong for beginners? In my opinion, yes. It definitely won't fall apart after a week of flipping. The floor, furniture and everything around are more damaged than this knife when it falls out of my hand. So it's not so bad. I like it. One thing I'll change is the steel to a little bit better, maybe D2, which NOKS uses in production the knives. I thought the NOKS company also offers Balisong with D2 steel, and some models of other knives allow you to choose the steel. This version is not available with steel other than 440. It's a pity, maybe one day it will change. Even if the price was a bit higher, it will be still a very competitive knife compared to expensive Balisong of other companies. That's all in this video, thanks for watching.